Hi, my name is Sophie Sweetman, and today I'm going to be talking about vitamin therapy and its effects for autism. And I'm mainly going to be going over the main supplements that are given to children with autism by doctors, and also how you can kind of establish a routine if you do choose to begin vitamin therapy. So, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention states that many biomedical interventions call for changes in the diet. Changes include removing certain types of foods from a child's diet and using vitamin or mineral supplements. So, this is something that's been done for a while. They found a lot of really great effects from removing or having certain foods removed from their diets for children with autism, as well as using supplements to help with certain things. Um, a study that was done in 2009 also concluded that mineral and supplement therapy were most widely recommended medical interventions for autism and are recommended by around 49% of physicians for children with autism. So it's becoming more and more common, and they are starting to finally see some beneficial effects from it. So here are some of the most common supplements given for vitamin therapy. A frequent one that's given is cod liver oil. It's really rich in vitamin D, and it's showed a lot of improvements for sleep, digestion, using eye contact, benefits in improved behavior, as well as depression. Gastrointestinal distress is very common with children with autism spectrum disorder. The doctor usually will prescribe a probiotic to help with the gastrointestinal problems. And there have been a lot of studies about this, and a lot of the studies have been with animals with autism spectrum like behaviors, and probiotics were found very successful at normalizing the amount of microbiota in the gut and improve gut barrier integrity. So it's overall really helped their intestinal health, which is really good. Vitamin D is also a supplement that's given a lot because it helps with a lot of the key symptoms of autism. So it's helped improve irritability, hyperactivity, social withdrawal, stereotypical behavior like acting out or not being able to control emotions, as well as their speech. So it's helped in a lot of areas. It's also helped with them with their random noises or jumping or different hand movements or fidgeting and things like that. It's been very helpful for that. A lot of studies have also shown that vitamin B6 and magnesium help to also ease symptoms of autism, and they've also all been shown to show significant improvement in behavior. So if you are planning, so if you go to your doctor suggests using vitamin therapy, this is one of the ways that you can kind of start implementing this in your routine. So step one is obviously exploring supplements for your child, consulting a pediatrician or dietitian first. That way they can be monitored closely to ensure that what you are giving them is helping and working for them. Next, oftentimes your child or anyone with autism that's about to start vitamin therapy will be given a blood test or urine test because it's the most accurate way to track their vitamin levels and ensure that the vitamins that you're being given is actually something that you're lacking in and that's going to help you. It is also often recommended that within your establishment of this routine that you kind of begin with like a 2 to 3 month trial. Therefore, like you just start at a really low dose and then you gradually increase based on the effects you're given, because this helps reduce risk of adverse effects of the supplements, and you're more likely to benefit if you start slow and just gradually increase your dosage. Finally, if you do decide to incorporate this into your routine, all supplements should always be kept out of reach of children and young adults just to avoid overdose or accidental ingestion of them, and should always be administered exactly how the pediatrician or dietitian has recommended. Never kind of go off your own intuition. Always trust what the doctor or dietitian is telling you as far as dosage. Thank you.